Hello YouTube, I hope you're having a good day, night, time, whatever it may be, and today I am back with a video. I know it's been a little while, but I'm here to do another video, and today I got a new laptop. It's an Asus Switch 11. It's a 2-in-1, it's a tablet, and it can turn on a laptop. So, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Here we go. Got some papers. Here is the tablet, I assume. I think this is the tablet. Yes, it is. So this is the tablet. We'll get back to that in a moment. And then we've got the keyboard that goes with it. And then you got a plug. And you got a book. Okay. Now, let's open it and let's see what sound. Look at this. This is nice. Folks, this is nice. And what you do, you clip it in here like so. And there's a laptop. Sorry folks, the phone ringing. The darn phone was ringing, so look. So now it is a laptop. It's nice and it's thick. Okay, so here let's see. Okay, you got this is the power button. I guess this is the ROM. I guess the Windows button. There's a headphone jack, and on the other side, it's the charger. Then we got the HDMI cable for if you want to hook up to a computer or hook up to a TV. We got the a USB, and we got you can put an SD card in it, and it has and a reset button. So yeah, folks, that's my new laptop. It is from Acer. I got it online at Overstock.com. It was a Cyber Week sale. I got it for $199. Stay tuned for another video and then I'm going to continue this video, but I'm going to set everything up and I'll be back. So folks, have a nice day.